When you're ultra wealthy, but you don't want to fly on those small, pesky private jets, what do? You convert commercial airliners into flying palaces, of course. Here are 5 of the most luxurious commercial private jets in the world going into 2021 and beyond. At number 5, the Airbus ACJ220. Featuring unmatched personal space with 785 square feet, Airbus's ACJ220 offers bespoke interior arrangements and handcrafted furnishing. The cabin allows up to 18 passengers to work, share, dine, and relax in a king-size bed. Private office? Check. Massive dining and conference table? You bet. A cinema suite, perhaps? Compared to its commercial counterpart, the ACJ220 will have an increased range, enabling the aircraft to fly up to 5,650 nautical miles or 10,500 kilometers, clocking up to 10 flight hours, directly connecting city pairs like London and Los Angeles, Moscow and Manila, Tokyo and Dubai. With 6 jets already on order, the ACJ220 will be flying as soon as 2023, so hurry up and book yours soon. King shit. The price of the ACJ220 is expected to be $81 million. All this under the tagline, "Imagine your place in the sky." Coming in at number 4, the Airbus ACJ320neo. The spacious interior allows 4 passenger sections, including the master bedroom, the main lounge, a dining area, and a private lounge, as well as a crew rest area and 2 galleys. The master bedroom features a king-size bed up against the massive windows, as well as a bedside table. Unfortunately, the size constraints don't allow for any extras in the room, but it's okay. You and your small dong will fit just fine. Directly behind the bedroom is the master bathroom, complete with a walk-in shower and a full vanity. The corridor then leads to the main lounge, an open space that features a mix of club seats and a divan. Directly behind the communal area of the aircraft is the lounge and the dining area, complete with 2 large tables on each side of the aircraft. Enclosed in a secluded part of the aircraft, the lounge is ideal for resting or as a private getaway. The space also features a high-definition in-flight entertainment screen, perfect for relaxing on a long flight. Opposite the lounge is also a smaller 2-person divan for extra guests, if you know what I mean. The ACJ320neo costs $101.5 million. The jet has a range of nearly 7,800 nautical miles or 14,500 kilometers, clocking in more than 10 hours of flight. This beautiful airplane can fly non-stop from Los Angeles to Geneva, Vancouver to London, and Paris to Dubai. Number 3. The Boeing 787-8 BBJ. This state-of-the-art carbon composite airliner clocks in at $224 million. An unidentified customer ordered not 1, but 2 of these bad boys. Since this is the first Boeing Dreamliner purpose-built to be a private jet, the interior and its fittings had to be custom-engineered from scratch, hence the hefty price tag. Well, not so hefty for high society. # down with capitalism. The interior is a whopping 2,700 square feet or 250 square meters. That means more space for you and 30 of your closest imaginary friends. Because let's be real, you have no friends. There's also a master suite with a California king bed, a walk-in closet, a master bath with a double-sized shower, and heated marble floors. Where can you fly to? Anywhere in the world. with a range of 9,400 nautical miles or 17,500 kilometers, with the exception of Sydney to London. Number 2. The Airbus A350. This ACJ debuted its new signature Harmony interior design concept, and Harmony is exactly what this interior tries to deliver. The central design motif found throughout the cabin are concentric circles that are meant to resemble ripples on a pond. Upon entry into the cabin, everyone is greeted by a holographic globe that pinpoints the plane's exact location. The ACJ350 XWB will be treated to a master bedroom with an attached office and a bathroom. There are also 4 VIP guest suites, all with ensuite offices that can be converted into additional bedrooms. The Airbus A350 XWB costs up to $366 million for the Dash 1000, with a cabin area of 2,900 square feet or 270 square meters for you European folks. With a range of 11,000 nautical miles or 20,000 kilometers, the space can take up to 30 passengers. And now, at number 1, the Boeing 777X BBJ. The business jet version of Boeing's upcoming 777X will effectively take over from the Queen of the Skies, the 747. It will be available in both the Dash 8 and the longer Dash 9 variant, clocking in at $395 million and $425 million. It can feature anything and everything from a private dining room to a master suite. The 777-9 provides a large cabin measuring 3,700 square feet or 343 square meters, while still offering ultra-long range of 11,000 nautical miles or 20,400 kilometers. Boeing says the BBJ 777X is the longest-range private jet ever made, meaning flights from Sydney to London or Seattle to Dubai are now very possible. The 777-9 is expected to enter service in 2022. Which one of these flying palaces is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and until the next luxurious thing, stay classy.